20th of August. And you hear the noise that my steering wheel is making. My CD player is off. AC is off. The keys are on. The car is in drive. And it's pretty loud. It stops when I drive. Let's see the next time how to stop. It's not on right now, but you do hear it kick on sometimes and go back. I'm not going too far, I'm going too fast. It was making that noise earlier when I was just at a stop sign without any speed. I'm going to be coming to a stop sign soon. Here it is, the stop is coming up. So let's see if we can hear that sound again. Complete stop. And there it goes. It went away.